Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Nathan Payne, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find a title company for wholesaling. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly the fastest way to find a title company to work with and why it's important. So stay tuned. Today, I'm going to show you why you need to find a title company for wholesaling, exactly the best way to do it, and what to say to them once you get them on the phone, because maybe you might not know. So check this out. Now, I've actually gone through this process of finding a title company, calling them, having this conversation, and even using them to find top cash buyers in the area. And I want to show you exactly how to do it. But before I get into that, I want to ask you for a favor. Well, actually, I wanted to tell you about something that I'm doing. I have a free masterclass that I'm doing this week. It's on Thursday, absolutely free to register, and I show you the exact process of how I get deals with $0 in marketing spend every month, and I'm making money. I want to show you exactly how to do it. So go to painlesswholesaling.com. Just go to the description below, register for the free masterclass, and I promise it'll be worth your time because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this business. So check that out, and let's go right into the video, what I was promising I was going to show you. So you're probably wondering why you need a title company at all to do a wholesale deal. Well, look, a buyer that you're going to wholesale your deal to, a cash buyer, is not going to want to just do a deal just because you said it's for sale or that the seller says it's for sale. Title companies are there, attorney states, they're there so they can verify that the person that owns the house can sell it, that it's a clear, clean title, that there's no liens, no issues with the property. So you really need to use a title company. Plus there's title insurance in case there's something else that comes up. Really having a good agent, a title company, or attorney you work with is extremely important as a wholesaler, because if you're going to be doing tons of deals, they're going to be able to facilitate the transaction. So that's exactly why you need a title company in your corner as a wholesaler.
Okay, so let's do it right now, because I see all the people, they're like, he's BS and he doesn't know. Okay, so let's find a title company right now. Okay, so we're going to type in investor friendly title companies near me. Okay, we got Merrill Edge self-directed investor title company, SFR title and closing. These are ads. So ads are usually going to pop up. That might not be location specific, but we want to try. So we got Title One. I don't think I've ever used Title One, but I know a lot of people do. Should we give them a call, everybody?
Let's do it.
Let's see if they give me a buyer. They're going to say, dude, I don't know who you are. I ain't giving you my top buyer. I'm going to say, come on, man. Don't hold back on me now. I'm live. They're going to think I'm a clown. All right, so 06. Okay, let's call them. Usually you get, when you call these title companies, you get like the secretary, like, so you got to bypass.
Thanks for calling Title One. This is Chris. How can I help you?
Chris, how are you? My name's Nathan, and I'm just,
good,
oh, yeah, awesome. Well, hey, do you have a couple minutes to chat? I just have a couple questions for you.
Okay, sure.
Good. So I've heard about a lot of my business, I guess people in my industry that work with you, but I've never worked with you. I usually work with GT Title, but
Well, get over here, Nathan.
well, hey, you know what? There's enough deals to go around. I might have to go over there. But one of my questions was, I have a lot of property. So I buy, I wholesale, I fix and flip. But right now I'm looking to wholesale a little bit more because, the way the market is. But I was wondering if you have any like top buyers that that are currently still doing deals, because it's kind of hard for me right now to know, okay, who's really still buying? And, but I have deals. So I was wondering if you know any buyers that maybe you could connect me with that I could chat with.
Let me connect you with Scott Stevenson. He's in our marketing, the head of our marketing department.
Okay.
And see if he can help you out.
Okay. Could I chat with him now? Is that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it. Yeah. Guys, let's go. Why are they excited to talk to me? It's because I'm bringing, sorry, this is loud. Why would they be excited to talk to me, Dylan?
Bringing in money, man.
I'm bringing them
deals.
business.
Yep, business.
Okay. So like I told you guys on the mind map, call investor friendly title companies and ask them who's still buying. And I'm going to say, I'm going to bring them deals so they can close at your title company. You make money. I make money. You make money. Let's do it. And they're like, let's freaking go. And she's put me right in touch with the main man, Scott.
Hey, is this Nathan?
That's right. Is this Scott?
This is
Oh,
Scott Stevenson. Yeah. Hey, how are you?
I'm doing really good. Scott, I don't know if she filled you in on, the reason I'm calling. Did she kind of let you know?
Well, she didn't really, because
Okay.
I'm not sure she knew.
Okay.
What talking about?
Okay, well, no problem. Well, so this is the situation. So I buy, I fix and flip, I wholesale, and I've heard a lot of things about your guys' title company from other people that I work with in the industry. And what's going on is I'm kind of sitting on the sidelines right now with buying,
Uh-huh.
unless I get a really good deal. But I have a bunch of deals that I think would be good, but I'm struggling to find who's consistently or currently buying right now in the market. And I was wondering, I mean, you guys are closing with investors. I was wondering if you could put me in touch with maybe any that are looking for deals that, you know, maybe close with you guys and it benefits everybody.
Well, I'll tell you what. I'll put you in touch with a guy who runs a group of investors I've been to their meetings before. Great guy.
Cool.
I think really do you some good. Let me look up his number. His name is Todd Porter.
You know, I've never heard of Todd Porter. Is he a wholesaler as well as an investor, or what does he specifically do?
I think he specifically does a lot of investing, but he knows a lot of wholesalers.
Okay.
I went up to one of their meetings. They had a meeting that was held up right North Salt Lake that I was at last week, and there was about, I don't know, got to be 75 different people there.
Oh my
different
gosh.
Real estate agents, different investors.
That's amazing.
And you can talk to them about that meeting. Yeah, where you can probably hook up with a lot of different people.
Yeah.
So let me see. Let me get you his number. Tell him I sent you over. Tell him the Silver Dollar Man sent you over. Everybody knows me as the Silver Dollar Man.
How'd you get that? How'd you get that nickname, the Silver Dollar
How
Man?
do I get the Silver Dollar Man? Well, I give out silver dollars to everybody I do business with, and that goes back a long ways. Where
Wow.
I actually served an LDS message way back, and I took a silver dollar with me in my pocket, and I kind of had that as my, I don't know what you want to call it, my calling card.
Yeah, you're the Silver Dollar guy. I like that. And that's
Silver Dollar Man. I mean, everybody. The bottom line is that it just stands for everybody's treated equally, and it doesn't matter who they are and how many deals they do or whatever the case may be.
I love it.
Everybody was equal value. So because it's a coin, it's whether it was a little kid down in Argentina that's living in a shack.
Yeah.
President of the United States, everybody should be treated equally.
That is awesome. I love that. You know what?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I'm gonna take that down and remember that. And I write in my journal every day, so I'm gonna say, hey, I met the Silver Dollar Man today, and he told me everybody's treated equal. I like that.
Yeah, exactly. So here, let me give you his number. It's Todd Porter,
Okay.
Porter.
Mm-hmm.
His number. Are you based out of where are you at?
So I live in
Salt
Sandy.
Lake?
I live in Sandy right now.
Oh, you're in Sandy?
Yeah.
Okay, well, terrific. He's a terrific guy, and he can hook you up with whoever you need to hook up with.
Perfect.
His number is 801
Okay.
755
Mhm.
1882.
Perfect.
So 1882.
Yeah.
And in fact, I met with him just yesterday. We do a lot of podcasting here as part of our marketing arm here at Title One. So he's going to be co-hosting one of our podcasts that we do here. So
I might have to get on one of your.
Yeah, he'll help you out.
Yeah, that sounds like a great connection.
Love to have. Hey, you need to stop in. You live in Sandy. We're right here close by in Sandy. You stop in one day or come by. Tell me when you're going to come by, and I'll show you around. And we are way out in front of everybody else with all the things that we're doing to help people market.
So it sounds like
I'm the executive director of marketing.
Yeah, it sounds like I need to get over there, get a deal done with you, and get a Silver Dollar. That sounds like what I need to do.
There you go. And you'll definitely get one, and so will your clients.
Yeah,
whenever I have a closing, I just walk in there and thank them for coming here to Title One, give them a Silver Dollar. And
well, I appreciate that. And look, if you can do this for me too, you gave me Todd, and I appreciate that. But if there's anyone else that's like talks to you and says, look, I'm tired of looking for deals, or I don't want to do that, but do you know anyone? That's kind of what I do. I do what's called reverse wholesaling mainly right now because I'm sitting on the sidelines waiting for the market to see what it does. So I basically look for deals for people all over, MLS, other wholesalers. I specifically target stuff with marketing. So if there's anything that anyone that wants someone, I'm like a glorified bird dog, right? If you know anybody, I'll find them a deal.
I'll tell you, Todd's the man to talk to. We were talking about this just yesterday. We were talking about all the different aspects of wholesaling.
Mm-hmm.
Some people can do this, some do that, some do this, some do that, and everybody hooks up, and that's the reason why they have that meeting together.
Well,
they meet on Thursdays. You ask them, and I guarantee you, getting hooked up with him will hook you right into the mainstream.
It sounds like you're the go-to guy, and so is he. Appreciate it, Scott. I appreciate your help.
Yeah, and Nathan, what's your last name?
It's Payne, Payne. Yeah.
P-A-Y-N-E.
And save my number, please.
Nathan,
yes.
I will. Well, she sent me back here. What is your number?
So it's 404-304-4202. And if you can text me too, that would be awesome. So I can have your info. And this won't be the first time I'll bring you a deal or we'll chat. I mean, this is all I do. And I actually coach too. So I actually, teach people how to do this. So, I mean, we could be bringing you deals left and right.
Well, I would love that. And I'll tell you, if there's anybody who's hooked up with us.
Well, let's do it. All right. Appreciate your time.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, no problem at all. And come on by and give me a call. Stop on in. I'm here mostly. If you want to make sure that I'm here, call in advance, and I'll make sure I show you around.
I love it. Thank you. Have a good one.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks, Nathan.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
All right. Well, we pretty much killed that question, right?
That was awesome, man.
Yeah. So look, let me tell you guys something. You provide so much value, wholesalers, real estate investors, people that find deals, so much value to the marketplace. Okay. So don't everyone be like, oh, you're a wholesaler. Be like, dude, I'm freaking changing lives. I'm bringing deals. I'm keeping the world going. Right.
So, hey, if you like that information that I just showed you, please, please, please like and subscribe to this channel. And do me a favor, go to the masterclass. I have a lot I want to show you. All you have to do is go to the description below, go to thepainlesswholesaling.com and register. I'd love to see you there and help you out. See you then.